Hi guys, welcome back to Dimitra's Dishes. So today I'm going to teach you how to use up leftovers. Just the other day I made some lamb kleftiko. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and check it out. It's slow roasted lamb with potatoes and a lemony garlicky sauce. It roasts for many hours in the oven, and then the end product is super juicy lamb, and I had that left over. So I thought I could either heat up that same roasted potatoes and lamb and serve it to my family, or I could treat them with this delicious pita. Now the ingredients for this are super simple and easy. Let's go over them so we can get started. So you're going to need some pita bread, a little bit of lamb from your leftovers, some lettuce leaves, any lettuce leaves you like, baby lettuces, whatever. Some chopped up fresh mint, some tomatoes that have been chopped up, some finely sliced red onions. I have some feta cheese, lots and lots of tzatziki sauce, and a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to begin by chopping up this lamb. Now you can do it in chunks or you could do little slices like I'm doing. I like the slices because they heat through much easier. So I'm just going to warm these through in my cast iron pan that's over here warming up. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in it. You could also brush it with some melted butter if you want. This is over medium-low heat. So I'm going to take some of this meat and just warm it through in my pan right here. I'm going to save this for later on. I don't have to warm it all through because I'm not making that many sandwiches right now. And this is just going to heat through just about a minute or two on each side. You don't want to cook this too much, otherwise it'll just dry up and become very tough. So after about just a minute or two, you just want to take all of the lamb out. I also like to season the meat with a little bit more salt. You can also make a little vinaigrette, like a lado lemano with some olive oil and lemon juice, or even balsamic vinegar and a little bit of honey, and just drizzle it over the top if you want some added flavor. And then this is one of those things that you can do when you're in a hurry. It's great for putting in kids' lunch boxes and just packing it up and sending it with them to school. It's great to take in your own lunchbox if you want to take food with you to work, so that way you don't have to eat out. You save money and you eat something way more nutritious than you would if you bought it from outside. Now, you can fill this any which way you want. I'm going to fill mine. I'm already drooling over here. I cannot wait to take a bite of this. I'm going to fill mine with some sliced onions, some tomatoes, mint, just a little bit of mint. And I'm going to take a little bit of feta cheese and crumble it in. Yum. And then I'm going to take some pieces of the lamb and nestle it in here. And then what makes this extra delicious is the tzatziki sauce. Yum. I really cannot wait, you guys. Now, I'm not putting any lettuce in mine. Surely you can put lettuce in yours. You can leave out the onions if you don't like them. However you want to make it, you make it. Make sure you get my tzatziki recipe up in the card section. I'll leave a link somewhere up here. It's very simple to make and it lasts a while in the refrigerator. I'm going to go in and take a bite of this. Happiness. The mint, the fresh mint with the yogurt sauce and the lamb is money, you guys. It is so flavorful, so good. This is actually very light. You have lots of vegetables in here, very healthy. If you are packing it for a lunch, I would recommend that you put the tzatziki in a separate container just so that way this doesn't get soggy, if you care about that sort of thing. Otherwise, you might open up your foil or your paper and you might find your bread to be crumbled. I mean, it's up to you. If you don't care, go ahead, put the tzatziki in there. But if you do have little containers, pack the tzatziki on the side. You'll be happy you did. This is delicious. Now, I put mine in a pita pocket, but you can also surely put it in a pita bread just like this. You could even brush the pita bread with some olive oil and put some herbs on it and salt just to add more flavor, some butter. The sky's the limit, you guys. Let me know how you like your pita in the comment section down below. It's great on any busy weeknight. It's great for lunch. It's just superb, fabulous. I will write a recipe for this, even though there really is no recipe, but I'll link it in the comment section. I'll link it underneath this video in the description box, as well as on the website, www.dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you all next time. Yasas.